Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do a mini fire roll today with handheld boards. I'll try to split something out straight enough out of this piece of white oak, and we'll use only about 3 inches of cotton. Put a quarter teaspoon of ash in it, put a little bit of ashes on the top and bottom boards, which will be handheld, and it should work even though we have 70% humidity today. So let's go ahead and get started with a mosquito repelling fire. Got an empty bic and a piece of toilet paper. Well, this is not going to cooperate, so we'll find another piece of wood that can split out straighter than that. Let's see if we can make this tulip poplar work. I can cut off this crooked grain and knot here, and cut it off here. That'll give us plenty of straight grain, what looks like straight grain, to make our set. This is our Corona wannabe, the Hurricane ripoff brand. It's a great saw so far. It might actually be better than the Corona. Persistence paid off. Not a perfectly true flat plane, but I think it's going to work for us. Let's go ahead and try it out. Now I'm over here in the shade. Let's get about a 3-inch piece, and we'll take the rest of this cotton ball and we'll saturate it with ashes, because we're going to transfer this amber into this. This ashed cotton is coal extender. Now you'll need some ashes on your top board, your bottom board, and I don't think I need this much cotton. This is a mini fire roll, so about a 1/2 inch by 3 inches. I don't know, about a quarter teaspoon of ash. You never know what's going to come out of the bottle like that when it overflows out of the bottle. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. I smell it. Well, I guess I shouldn't be out here in all this humidity. I've already failed several times. And I'll leave a link in the description that shows you this very same technique, almost exactly, and it working very easily. So I've been using 3 and 4 inches of cotton. Let's use a lot more cotton on this one. And I still have my ash tinder up here from the other fails. Let's just see if we can roll it longer. Don't think I'll need the entire cotton ball, but let's use that much. Got that bottom board embedded in the ground. Let's see if we can make that ignite. Turn it 180 degrees. Oh, note to self, in high humidity, use about 3/4 of a cotton ball. So there's no need to transfer this ember over into this coal extender, but I will. Good. Good, good, good. I ought to leave well enough alone, but to prove my theory that you need a lot more cotton when it's this humid out, let's go ahead and do it again. Quarter teaspoon's all you need. I know I dumped more than that on there, but it'll spill out. Trying to prove that you need more cotton in humidity than less cotton. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.